So at this very moment, there's something that I am aware, and it's something that I just wanted to feel grateful for. I always love the time around midnight onwards, especially around 4-ish, like right now. That calm energy from the nature showing off its beauty. It is almost as if it's embracing me with its sweet creation. In the next few seconds, you're gonna listen to the sound of this nature at this very hour. Enjoying. Oh yeah, just so you know that it's kind of still drizzling here. So I don't know if you guys can relate, but if you do, you can please comment down below. Bye.